Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Taque's Beauty Tutorials with another video. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys a skincare routine that I happen to use. However, it's one of my skincare routines, must I say. I mostly don't use any products from any other brand but mine when I'm taking care of my skincare. But, you know, this time I'm going to do it because I'm going to share with you guys some good products that I really like that really help my skin. So right now, as you guys see, I am using my facial bar by Madame Diane Cosmetics. I'm using the Hemp bar, and it's actually a name for this bar, but I don't know it off my hand because this is not a bar that I sell often because it's very expensive for me to really make this bar. And I don't sell this bar often, but this is the bar that I use a lot of times on my skin. It doesn't matter if I'm breaking out or what. Like, I can always depend on this not changing. It has hemp oil in it, sunflower seed oil. You know, it's going to lightweight moisturize your skin as needed and not make your skin completely feel oily, but it's gonna moisturize and give you that glow the right way using salicylic acid to help you with any kind of breakouts. Yeah, so I really love this bar. I put a lot into this bar. It's a great bar for skincare. It's amazing, you know. Yeah, don't use it nowhere else but your face, though. Yeah. Anyway, then when I'm done, I wash the product off, and then I will probably wash my face a second time because I like, sometimes, you know, depends on how my skin feels, I will wash my face twice, you know. It depends on how much of the makeup it took to come off. I'm gonna do it twice. Yeah, cause girl, I'm gonna be here with you. I don't like sleeping with no makeup in my face. I have to take my makeup off. I understand I can do it, whatever, but I can do it to put it back on. I am not finna sleep with no makeup on my face, and let me tell you, I get it if you got somewhere to go, you got something to do, or something like that, or you want to keep it on. Ain't nothing wrong with that. It's been times I tried it, but it just don't work for me. Okay, because I be ready to take them things. I be ready to take that stuff off my face. I can't sleep with nothing on me at all when I'm sleeping. But, night jams, you know, PJs, you know. I don't like to sleep with makeup on, nothing. I gotta have my face nice and clean. Nice and clean. That's just a habit that I got. Taking care of my skin. So look, girl, I'm diving into this goat scrub, this new line, you know, Beekman 1802. This is the milk scrub. Okay? It has oats and goat milk. Girl, it's an exfoliating facial cleanser by Beekman 1802. This stuff felt good, you know, and it was just the right size to exfoliate my skin, my pores. Like, it exfoliated in a gentle way, but I know that it was getting the job done. This is a natural product. That's why I like it, and I wanted to share it with you guys. So, yeah, and you can pick this up at Ulta or whatnot. I like using natural things, even though sometimes, you know, we don't always eat natural, but sometimes you want to try to do right. So, anyway, girl, I'm going to my scrub now. It's natural, too. It's natural, okay? Let me tell you, it's so natural you can eat it. It's healthy sugar. This sugar won't hurt you, okay? This that kind of sugar, like if your lips is crusty and your sugar drop, you need to go exfoliate your lips and watch how my exfoliator pick your sugar up, bring your sugar back up. Yeah, I know, baby. Trust me, it's bomb. So now I'm diving into this mask, girl. This is the Pores No More vacuum cleaner. Okay, I said, what? Vacuum cleaner? What the hell that mean? So this is a pore purifying mask. All right. So I'm gonna chill and let y'all see what happened, because at the ending of this part gonna shock you, because it shocked me. I was shocked. I ain't never seen nothing like this, nor felt nothing like this before. Now, y'all, I ain't gonna lie, I really liked this mask. It was really cool, like, very cool, like, seriously. It didn't need help, like, man, it felt so good on my face. I didn't want to take it off. Even when it finished drying, I still felt the cooling sensation. I felt my pores being clean and opened up. One thing about this product is that I'm not sure everybody can handle this product, you know. But it is worth a try because it's dermatologist approved, you know. So it's really like strong, because when you first put it on, when I first put it on, I was scared it was gonna start burning. It was tingling, but it wasn't burning. Tingling over burning is good all the time, baby. Because I don't put stuff on my face that burnt me. Honey, I had to get it off ASAP. You know. Sometimes if the salicylic acid is not really balanced out with the product, you know, it's way too much, you experienced it, you know. But if you're willing to, you know, try somebody else, okay. But me, if you're willing to try it again, okay. Try it again, but try it again and make sure you just clean your face better. See if that helps. If that don't help, girl, you just need to stop using it. So yeah, girl. I'm done with this face routine. Yeah, I'm really happy with the results that I got, you know. And I'm using my serum, as you guys see. I love to seal my serum in. You know, I like to put my serum on when I'm done cleansing my face and seal it in with a thick moisturizer. I'm using the Bloom Cream, the Probiotic Moisturizer by Beekman 1802. I don't even know if Beekman is the name of this company, 1802. I don't understand it, but hey, it's a good brand. However, it's dope, okay? But anyway, then I go into Estee Lauder eye cream. I'm not going to discuss eye creams yet because I haven't found that perfect eye cream that I like, that helps me. Because, honestly, some eye creams irritate my eye, okay? And it really irritates, and hell breaks loose. So, I don't want to even talk about nobody eye cream until I find the perfect one. I just put some of that Claire V on my lips, okay? That CeraVe. I just put some of that CeraVe on my lips or whatever. So, yeah, girl, I see y'all in my next video. Thank you for watching, girl. Bye.